Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kagam. Okay, so I have another mini haul. It's like one thing that I got. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I've definitely been going a bit crazy in the local shopping center recently. I've been picking up things, I've been ordering things online. I want to share with you guys, obviously. It's a shopping channel. So let me just show you what I got. What you got. I'm sure you guys got things as well, so make sure you tell me what you happen to get. So I picked up these sunglasses. These are brand new. I haven't worn them yet. They're like, I think just that they're a little bit smudgy because there are a few of them were on sale, so I think a few people had touched them, but I'll definitely give them a wipe once I start wearing them, like outside the house. I got these yesterday at the local shopping center in Dar es Salaam, which is called Mlimani City. I bought them at a shop called Woolworths. It's a very popular South African fashion retailer. They make like pretty high quality products, to be honest, pretty decent. These sunglasses were on sale. They were like 13,000 shillings, which is like $7. And it's crazy because some of you who actually watch this channel, you'll know that I've said before that I don't like blue. I'm not a fan of blue. Blue's not really my thing. Yet here I am buying blue sunglasses. I have blue Christmas balls on my tree, and I'm still in the middle of decorating, so I think it'll look a little bit different towards the end of the week. But I don't know what's going on. I'm feeling like I'm into light blue. Like when I saw these baubles, they're like metallic and shimmery. I was like, ooh. And then I saw these. I was like, I kind of like them. At first, I was gonna get these like tortoise shell sunglasses, but I always get tortoise shell, like the Havana style. And I was like, okay, let me try something else, try something different, and actually just like kind of spread my horizons a bit. In 2021, when it comes to shopping and luxury brands and things like that, I'm definitely going to be trying to get out of my pink world. I love pink. It is what it is. Like I can't help it. There's certain colors I really like pink and gray. I need to try new colors. So I was like, let me get these and see how often I wear them. I'm gonna put these on before I go to church next week. I'm going on the 24th of December. Oh, but actually I'm going to the midnight mass, so I won't need to wear them unless I'm like really trying to be a stunner and trying to bowl hard. So this is how they look. This is how they look. Kind of like I was impressed with just like how they're so retro, they're so like 90s. And normally when it comes to shades, I tend to prefer shades that are like that have angles and lines in them. Like I don't look good with like the John Lennon circle shades. I love circles. I love round sunglasses, but they just don't look good on me. So I saw these, I was like, okay, the library's open, reading is in session, I like them. They kind of remind me of reading glasses, and I like that. So I picked these up. I'm heading out with my husband later. We're going out for the day. So I'll put these on and I'll see how I feel about them when I'm out and about. But so far, I like them, and I got them on sale for like 13,000. So yeah, so these are my sunglasses. Tell me what you think of them. Do you like them? Do you vibe? Do you not care? Normally, I would say like I prefer cat's eye. It's just a personal thing. Just fix something there. I prefer cat's eye, and I normally wear cat's eye. I also like those big 70s like rectangular like square sunglasses. I do love big 70s glasses with like a gradient in the lens. I also like that. So it's kind of nice to try something different. Like I've said many times, I don't like blue. Blue is not my thing. Blue isn't my bag, you get me. But I can get into like lighter shades of blue colors that have gradients like aquamarine. I'm into things like that. So I'm kind of trying to open up my mind a little bit and try new things. So tell me what you think of these shades. I'm curious to know what you think. Yeah, I kind of feel like I'm in a rap video, like with the City Girls right now, like, yeah, I like them. I'm definitely digging these. So I would love to know what you guys think of these. So make sure you let me know. Also, I want to tell you guys, so like 2021, I definitely, like in Q1, I'm definitely going to buy some new sunglasses that are from luxury brands. My best experience ever with like sunglasses was from this luxury brand called Thierry Lazary. Has anyone ever bought Thierry Lazary sunglasses? I swear down right now, like Thierry Lazary is one of it's probably the best luxury brand that I've ever tried for sunglasses. Like I've tried Chanel sunglasses on before, and they're nothing compared to this brand. So I'm definitely going to be picking up some sunglasses from there. I'll post a link to his website, and you can see I purchased sunglasses from him many years ago from his brand. He had a concession in Galerie Lafayette in Paris. Amazing. I got literally like those sunglasses got compliments everywhere. They're like so heavy. It felt like you're putting gold on your face. They're just incredible. I'm also looking at Fendi. As long as the quality is high, I'm getting them. So I've seen some sunglasses from Fendi. I'll post links to the ones that I like. I really like the the round ones with the F logo, the ones that like are really popular right now on Instagram. But again, I just know my face. Like I just look better with like angular and cat's eye, because like my face is naturally round. Even when I'm snatched and I'm like a size 8 UK, my face is still going to be round, and I have big cheeks. I get it from my dad, so it is what it is. So I've been looking at Fendi. I've been looking at Celine, which I've been loving at the moment. I've also been looking at Versace's, they're called the Biggie sunglasses. I think they're the ones obviously Notorious B.I.G. wore in the late 90s in a lot of his videos. So they've now called them the Biggie sunglasses. Yo, I love those shades, and I know that they're like really popular and stuff, but I love them. There's some really cute Cartier sunglasses as well. I think that the Panther ones, there's a gorgeous set pair that I'll link in the description as well below. So right now I'm looking at Fendi, Thierry Lazzari, Versace, and Cartier for sunglasses. So I'll let you know whichever ones I decide to pick to buy. And the cool thing about like sunglasses is they're actually practical for my life in Tanzania, because the sun is blasting, okay, almost every day. So it's like really good. These ones, they said the UV was like 400. So that's like okay or whatever, but the sun here is pretty serious. So it would be really great to actually have like high-end luxury sunglasses that I can wear until they break. The Thierry Lazzari ones, they literally lasted until I foolishly dropped them. It wasn't even like their fault. So those are the things I'm looking at. What are you guys looking at in terms of sunglasses? If you guys are in cold countries, when are you traveling next? Like, are you getting vaccinated and then traveling? And speaking of traveling, guys, I saw this like resort. I think it's called the Saint Regis in Vomuli. I think it's in the Maldives. I have to double check. Oh my gosh, it just looks like the best thing in the world. Like when I have time, I will want to escape there as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick mini haul, and I hope you can give me some opinions on what luxury sunglass brands you think I should get. There was actually a few years ago when Gucci had like some interesting, really glamorous sunglasses as well. So I might need to look into them. But as I said, for right now, it's Thierry Lazzari, it's Cartier, it's Versace, and it's Fendi for me at the moment in terms of sunglasses that I might be getting soon. So if I get them, I'll let you know, because obviously I'll share it on this channel. Tell me what you think of these sunglasses, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps to support my channel and my videos. And I'll see you in my next video.